Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to subscribe on Twitch. So first, you just have to go to any web browser, type Twitch, and log into your account. So in this area, you can see different types of channels and different niche. Now, if you want to look for a specific channel or person or user, what you want to do is to simply go to the search bar and then type the specific channel or that specific Twitch user here. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to subscribe to this person's channel, what you want to do is just simply click his or her video. And then on this area, you will see here follow and subscribe. You just have to tap this subscribe button here. Okay. Now, once you tap that one, you will see the benefits and advantages of subscribing to his or her channel. And if you're sure of subscribing to this person's channel, all you have to do is just simply click subscribe. Then, of course, you have to pay for the specific amount here. So once you tap that one, it will take you directly to payment method. Choose your payment provider and then subscribe. So as you can see here, you need to complete this purchase here and you have different payment methods. So you can pay via debit card, credit card, and so on. So enter your information here, review purchase, and then subscribe. Now, when it comes to your mobile, it's the same thing. You just have to log into your Twitch account and then search for that specific Twitch user or name, or you can just simply explore here. Okay. So once you discover a channel that you like and you want to subscribe to the channel, it's the same thing. You just have to click his or her video and then you have to click this person's profile. Okay. And then after that, there you will see options like follow and subscribe. So tap subscribe. Now you have to pay for this amount here, and you can see here subscriber benefits. So this will be your benefits if you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so review purchase and then tap subscribe. And that's it. That's how easy it is to subscribe on Twitch. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.